Here's how I made money from buying AirPods Pro, correct? Make money from buying them. I bought them, whatever they're $220 or $250, something like that. Spent that on them, but they've now made me that money back plus extra. So I want to break down how that came to be. So this is Google Trends, and what it does is it tells you the most popular searches, the most popular things that people are searching for. So right here, we've got it set to daily search trends. So for Friday, November 13th, these are the daily search trends, the most popular search trends. And then right here, we're into Thursday, and here are those most popular search trends for yesterday. You can also click into real-time search trends right here and see the most popular search trends happening right now. And then you can also even sort right here by categories and click into, for example, science and tech. So I like to come around here and honestly poke around here for several reasons, just kind of to see what's up. And then just kind of as like, even like kind of news. I kind of come in here just as like a news outlet sort of a thing, but then also just to pay attention to popular searches and see if they apply to anything I can make videos about or make a product about, business related stuff. So that's what I was doing one day. I was poking around in here and I saw that AirPods Pro had popped up, and I didn't even know, I don't super pay attention to that kind of stuff, but I didn't know that a new AirPods had come out. But I had the original AirPods already and I liked them, and I saw that it was a search term on here. So first thought was, ooh, I want to get those. I'm gonna be honest, like the consumer side of me was kicked in first, and I was like, I probably want to get those, but I'll look into them. But then I had a second thought, which was, if it's a popular search term on here, it's probably popular on YouTube, and maybe, and you know, if they've just recently been released, I could even go grab them, make a video, put it on my YouTube channel, and maybe that'll potentially get some traction since so many people are right now searching for AirPods Pro and information about it, probably videos on it on YouTube. So that's what I did. I went and I bought some AirPods Pro. Again, I don't remember the exact price I paid. It was like $220 or $250, something like that. And then I made a couple review videos about the AirPods Pro and threw them on my channel. And so I first made this video right here. Where's the title? What did I call it? I called it AirPods Pro unboxing plus field test, noise canceling and transparency. And those were search terms that I went and looked up on YouTube to see what search terms, what things AirPods Pro related people were searching for. And the way that I did that, and this is a great trick for finding search terms related to whatever you're trying to make a video about, like to see what people are searching for is a better way to say it. I just came in here and I typed in AirPods Pro, and then you'll see right here, like I probably should have used review or something, but you'll see AirPods Pro unboxing is the second one down. And then, you know, these have changed since the first time I looked, like AirPods Pro spatial audio test, like that would be a good video to make. But these are just the most popular search terms right here based off of AirPods Pro. So that's what I did, came in here, looked at them that way. And then I threw them into my title and into my description. And then I also threw them into the tag section down here. Now this video, if we look at the analytics on it, let's see, what's this date right here? November 2nd was when I uploaded this video, and this is an 11-minute 33-second video, and it's done over 14,000 views, and it's made me about $62 ad revenue wise. If we click into revenue here, and its CPM is about 10 bucks, and RPM, so that's how much I make per every 1,000 views on this video roughly, is $4.31. This one got some traction right there at the beginning, but wasn't able to hold that traction. And that's because, like I was talking about, much bigger YouTubers came and started making AirPods Pro unboxing videos, and those videos just started performing better than mine. So if we type in AirPods Pro unboxing, spelled it wrong. Yeah, so you got Unbox Therapy, iJustine, Marcus Brownlee. So these are just like the biggest tech review channels, and they're all at the top for the search. So if we kept scrolling and scrolling, I'd probably pop up here somewhere, my video would. But if we type in AirPods Pro noise canceling test and click on that one, you'll see that I've got one right there. And so what I did from this first video, this 11-minute video, I just made another edit of that video, a little bit shorter of an edit, And what I did is I took the field test and made just a field test video. And then I gave it and again, I didn't go out and film new stuff. This is just different edit of the same content. And I gave it the title Airpods Pro Noise Canceling Test. And this video was able to get ranked. If we look at the data on this video, it's made me $160 so far. If we switch this to lifetime views, it's actually slowly been gaining me more views over time. Same with subscribers, it looks actually fairly consistent there, I guess, maybe a little bit more. But and then revenue, actually here in the past couple months, it's been picking up. So I don't know, maybe this one will continue to perform well for me over time. But so there's $160 I made from that video. This last video was 62, so 160 plus 62, that's $222. So right there, I've already made back my money that I spent on the AirPods Pro. So at this point, I got them for free, just off of those 2 videos. And then one day I went on a trip with a buddy, and we took a plane ride, and I took my AirPods Pro, and I was like, hey, can we just make a quick video? Because I knew there was another title I had seen that I could use, which was testing out like AirPods Pro on an airplane. Like make an airplane video where I do a review of the AirPods Pro on an airplane is what I'm trying to say. And so I made this video right here, which I called AirPods Pro Noise Cancellation on Airplane Test plus full review, because this was a couple months later that I made this video. And if we look at its analytics, it's made $33. So it's been the worst performer out of all of them. And we can see that if we look at the reach on each of these videos. So here's the first one. You'll see that 88.5% of its views came from YouTube search, just strictly people searching. This video, which has been the best performing one, 96.5% from YouTube search, and then the plane review, 80% from YouTube search. So that's really what it was, just identifying that people were searching for something a lot. I went out and bought the thing, made some reviews on it, posted it, and then as the ad revenue on it's accumulated, I've made back the money that I spent on the product plus some.